I've been waiting for autumn to come for so long now. Ever since the days started to get crispier and leaves browner, I started to imagine my autumnal cozy days spent with a good book and a hot tea. And now it's finally time to experience all that, with you by my side, of course. What I love most about autumn is the nature. Trees get this beautiful yellow and brown color, and I love watching them as they gracefully fall into the ground. Cozy strolls in the forest are the best way to absorb autumn specialties, especially when you are able to see all the mushrooms and animals, such as squirrels, owls, and deer. It is also so magical to walk through the pumpkin field and casually pick up pumpkins even though they're not yours. I as well love to collect and preserve leaves and acorns because they make my room feel more autumnal and foresty. I mostly love warm autumn, but my heart is also satisfied and happy when the days get all chilly and rainy. Rain has this magical and relaxing sound that also inspires me and transitions me into a dreamland of a world I like to imagine. A stormy castle with witches, lots of candles and books, mystical animals such as foxes and owls lurking around it, and a whole scene of what I just described in a vintage spooky setting. There are two best ways for me to spend an autumn day. Either curl up in my bed, read a book, light a candle, and draw while sipping a tea of my favorite autumn cup. Or be outside. Allow myself to feel the autumn air on my skin. Be crazy and go to the forest. Imagine all the creatures looking at me while I'm walking around a gravel road or untouched ground filled with leaves. I love discovering unknown paths in the forests, find out where they lead me, and spend time endlessly wandering around there. I have recently become obsessed with candles because before I was actually too afraid of lighting them up, but I found myself a good lighter, of which I am not afraid now, and nothing can stop me from discovering fragrant new scents. Along with a good candle burning up in my room, I love reading a good book, or currently three, and let the scent of a candle and plot of the book carry me away. My first autumn books are The Cruel Prince, If We Were Villains, and The Picture of Dorian Gray. I am specifically enjoying If We Were Villains because I love the setting and academic vibes of the book, but when I am in the mood for thinking and analyzing, I pick up Oscar Wilde's classic and read it slowly but surely to absorb every thought and word within the pages. I as well create my September bullet journal in seasonal style, and for this setup I used printed out images to create autumn scene and mood. I would love to draw more in a traditional kind of style, but for this time I went for printables. Fall spreads are my favorite kind to make because they always make me feel so cozy and so happy. I am also so excited about all the fall drawings I will make this season. Autumn elements make me so inspired, and I enjoy all the cozy characters I can include in the picture, like foxes, squirrels, deer, frogs, badgers, but honestly I love to draw foxes the most. This time I will also include some Halloween elements and Halloween photos, so I will show you what I created in that kind of spirit. And for additional cozying up and enjoying the weather, I always make myself a nice cup of tea. I am a huge coffee lover, but there is nothing like a tea drinking while it's raining outside. I am currently drinking orange tea, but I need to get myself on some cinnamon or pumpkin spice tea.
Can I hit you up? Or have I not waited for long enough? Since the last time that we talked, I don't wanna come off too impatient, but I'm not patient at all. Can I hit you up? Or am I the last thing you're thinking of? I won't mess up your plans. I'm just wondering, can I hit you up? To be honest, I've been thinking a lot, overanalyzing our small talk. I don't think that I communicated.
However much you can, enjoy fall and its spices because I'm sure it can give you something magical and cozy. Whether it is rewarding yourself with staying inside with activities you like doing or going outside on adventures, treat yourself and nurture the beauty of September. At the end of this video, I would like to read you a poem that I discovered on the internet, perfect for fall. The shuffle underfoot, the gently falling leaves, the chimneys puffing wood smoke that scent the frosted breeze, the pumpkins in their patch, the corn stalks growing tall, the landscape slowly changing garb, from green to gold, it's fall.